So we're back again. So we had to remove the upper brace that goes there, goes across to the dashboard, unbolt the screw there. This duct has to come out to get everything taken care of. So we could get the one screw, not a problem at all, 2 seconds. We had to remove the headlight switch to get to the other screw, which you can see right there, because there's no way to get to it any other way. I love my job. I do. I love my job. 110%. I do. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Scotty.
So, we got the headlight switch out, which I showed you guys in our previous video. Everything's bagged and tagged. So, I've got to get this duct.
So basically,
out.
you finish that side after the heater core, and now you're like, oh, now I gotta take this side apart.
Yeah, but
Fun.
What I'm not catching or finding.
Oh, is that a broken tab right there?
Oh yeah, this one's broken. I mean, they're broken all over the place.
Great.
Yeah.
Well, now the boys know, so they can contemplate what they want to do.
Oh, okay. So it's the other. There's another one down here.
Is this easier or harder than the bread box?
They're about the same.
Nice.
Literally, they're about the same.
Fun.
Because a lot of the tabs and stuff are broken, which is age. I'm not saying anything about.
Are your tabs broken due to age?
Dude, my
Hey!
my tabs were broken 3 seconds after I was born.
I don't know if that's a tab.
Right. So, I'm at a stopping point for myself for the day because I am just physically whooped. This car sucks all the energy out of me. So it's disconnect one screw down there. I got to pull the dashboard forward just a little bit so that I can get clearance to get this part of the ductwork to come off because I already got the screws out for there.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got to pull it this way just a little bit to disconnect it off there because it's a slip fit like this.
Yeah.
So once that's out, then I can get to the wiring harness, which plugs in somewhere over here into something else.
Fun.
And then find the other plug on the other side, which may mean disconnecting 3/4 of the dash on that side again. Yeah.
This sounds like it's a bid for raging alcoholism.
It is, without a doubt.
Hey, I know this guy.
What's up, guys?
Yeah. You know.
But on that note,
It's been Monday.
mwah, we love you guys. You know that.
You gonna send a smooch too? Whoa.
Woohoo!
Tastes like chicken?